The AIADMK has hit out at BJP over its Vetrivel Yatra, and in its official mouthpiece, Namada Amma, AIADMK has put out a scathing editorial where they've slammed the BJP. AIADMK has said that Tamil Nadu is a state of peace and harmony and that you can't divide people by conducting such a yatra with a clear intention to disrupt. AIADMK also going on to state that they will not allow anyone to milk votes with this, and those who conduct the yatra should understand this fact. So this is what they've gone ahead and said. The AIADMK lashing out at the BJP yet again. Remember that the state government had denied permission for the Vetrivel Yatra, and after, in fact, BJP's Vanati Srinivasan lashed out at the AIADMK, saying there'll be major consequences if the Vetrivel Yatra is not allowed to go on. AIADMK has responded saying that the BJP allowed to divide people. Akshay now joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Akshay, just put this in context as to why we're seeing this kind of a brazen attack by the AIADMK.
Good morning, Akshita. We've been seeing in the state of Tamil Nadu that the Vetrivel Yatra, which was planned by the BJP, has become a controversial topic right from the time that the AIADMK government decided that they will not be providing permission for the BJP to go ahead with its Vetrivel Yatra, and it was said that it will create law and order situation. That was one fear, and the second factor was the spread of coronavirus, because the pandemic is on a high number in the state of Tamil Nadu, and to have a yatra spanning from the north of the Tamil Nadu to the south of Tamil Nadu will create fear that the coronavirus pandemic might spread more intensely. These were the reasons given out by the state government, and now we're seeing that repeated effort of the BJP to get a permission on this has been going on. BJP's state president L. Murugan had visited Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palnisamy almost thrice, and all the three times the permission has been refused. And most recently, Vanati Srinivasan, the senior leader of the BJP in the state, had lashed out saying that this kind of denial of permission can lead to other repercussions. And soon after that, we're seeing that Namada Amma, the mouthpiece of the AIADMK, has come out with an article stating that they are not afraid of anybody, and that any kind of communally divisive or dividing yatra will not be permitted in the state of Tamil Nadu, and hence the BJP's Veil Yatra, which is having a political motive and also religious motive, will not be permitted, is what the AIADMK's mouthpiece states. Akshita.
Okay, Akshay, stay on with us. So the AIADMK, they're making it very, very clear that they continue to oppose the Vetrivel Yatra, and after denying permission for the same, now in their mouthpiece have lashed out at the BJP, saying any attempts to divide or create any disruptions in Tamil Nadu will not be allowed. The AIADMK making it very clear that they've not changed their stand on this issue.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.